So this came like a day early, but I thought I'd get my camera because this quality looks pretty good. I don't lay fiberglass, but that's the rear splats. Left, right, middle, and then that's the Type X lip, and then in here are the side skirts. There's no cracks. Isn't that right? There's no cracks. The shape looks pretty good.
Oh, that sucks. This doesn't include the bracket.
Look at that. The bodywork on this one looks fucking nice. Cool. Awesome. That looks fucking sweet, dude. And where it meets up with the body, it looks like pretty mint. This tool I made, because usually I take off my back tire so I can take the mud flap off. Look at this. I got Netflix again because I haven't had Wi-Fi for 5 months, 5.5 months, and I finally got Netflix, and I can use cell service, and I've been watching Bodykit, which I think is like a gym rat show. I don't know. I see a lot of gym guys post about it. It's really fucking stupid. It's literally like, it's the stupidest show ever. It's funny. It's an anime. Oh, yes. Come out, please. Oh, fuck. I swear this mud flap was fucking minty. It was like brand new when I got it. Not really. Anyone want rear mud flaps for S13? I'm not sure if it matters that it's a hatch, but I don't know. 20 bucks. Mud flaps. Oh shit, I don't want to reveal the car. I don't want to reveal the car. I want it to be like a big reveal. I just like point the camera at it. It's like, whoosh, in your face. I have a Type X now. Okay, now I just gotta put the other one on. Sick. You want to try to buy some rear mud flaps for an S13 hatch? Actually, change the price, 25 bucks. Cause gas money. Haha. Okay, I got the body kit on. Shoes, I need shoes. Here's the $400 eBay kit.
Whoops. In your face. I have a Type X now.
Ah, it's cool. This is zoomed out as I can do it. It's a tele lens. Lip looks mint. Honestly, actually looks mint. This fucking, look at that. Look at that fitment. That's really good for a fucking fiberglass rep. Oh yeah, Type X tails. Holy shit, this looks so fucking cool. I'm not even sure if it's in focus. I'm gonna stay in the shade. Oh. Left side skirt's kind of like fucked, but I don't care. That rear splat is like... Oh, this looks so cool. Chickens. Man, I really take this all for granted. I'm gonna be living in an apartment in a few years. Here, best way to get a good focus, zoom all the way in, find the minty point, and zoom out. Nah, I lied. I don't think the Rokinon fits on like a M50. I tried it, but they do make adapters for mirrorless to mirrored, so. Oh wait. I gotta do this every time I'm in the mirror. Oh my god, now I gotta deal with all these boxes. Which way do I... I'm putting the pizza in. I got the munchie. I got the munchie. A pretty living room. Oh, you see his hunter eyes? See that positive canter tilt? Haha. Sneak peek of the new video. Wait. Ethan's blankie. Ethan left his blankie in my room. Ethan's blankie. My fucking den. Look at this. I mean, it's not that dirty. I mean, it's a little dirty, but come on. I've had like strep throat or COVID or something. I don't know. I had a fever of 107. After hours guitar. I'm sick. I think I'm just not gonna show up for work. People there are dope, but I fucking hate working at Walmart. I gotta clip my nails. Shit, dude. Oh, it's because I have the exposure to it. No? Okay. Well, I don't know. This is as bright as it'll get. Dude, actually, why is this so dark? What the fuck? I'm trying to fix this. I bought an eBay body kit. It's like a Type X rep. And, dude, I think it was like $600 with shipping. Oh, also, last video I said I EGR deleted the, my engine. I mean, I'm glad I did it, but it backfired so hard it ripped the cat off the flange. Flange from the cat still on there. So this cat, I got off this guy on Facebook, or it's the guy I sold the other 240 to, the parts 240 that I got this engine from. We didn't recognize each other at first. His name's John. He was like, oh yeah, I just bought a 240. I'm like, oh, I just sold a guy a 240. And then he was like, wait. But yeah, I had to pull my whole exhaust out, and this is what it looks like so far. Yeah, I was driving it with no exhaust though for a bit, and don't do that. It's not nice. The body kit is just a front lip, side skirts, rear splats. Lip fits fucking mint. Inside could be like tucked up a little more. I just zip tied the side for now. Zip ties work great. I got all that shit on. This skirt, nice. What I was trying to show is these are two separate pieces, but this just fits so fucking good. Not bad at all. Oh, also I got my interior all together. Peep that. Except for the door. I took the door out because me and my girl, these are warm. They're LEDs, but they look like halogen, which is fucking dope. And last thing I want to show is the trunk. Or maybe one of the last things I want to show is the trunk. I got that working! Oh my gosh! I have a little light now, it's so cool. It looks OEM, except for the battery in the back, but I need the battery there for later. Got this fabric back on the new hatch. It also doesn't have the brake light working for the hatch, which sucks dick. Whatever. The fucking last owner took the harness and he was just like, okay, I'm just gonna fucking cut them all off. So I have to like pull it all out of my other hatch, which I just carried up to my room because we didn't have a room in here. So got the spare quart of oil. Oh, I got this on too, by the way. I guess I just got the whole trunk interior done, which is fucking dope. I got the car bone stock. It's pretty much just been a half-assed restoration / idiot teenager with a 240. So yeah, obviously we had to 5-lug swap it. Had to go for the battles because it is a 240. Had to get the kouki taillights. Oh shit, yeah, I didn't even show that. I got kouki taillights. Little secret. This is a D-Max Rep centerpiece. OEM, $500. And Juku Racing has the D-Max Rep for $30, and you don't even notice the difference. I put a carbon cover over it anyways, so like you can't even tell unless you're like a fucking 240 nerd. And let me show the lights and the kouki tails, because honestly I am super stoked about them. I've always kind of wanted kouki tails, even though it's almost like basic bitch Uggs and a Starbucks latte kind of thing to do to your 240. It's like, I really like these tails, they're cool. Especially with the carbon centerpiece. I'll get a tele lens video later, but for now I just want to show off the lights. Ah, that's so cool. Let me show the blinkers. Ah, the blinkers are so cool too. The only thing I don't have yet is this middle piece, because if you don't know, when you kouki convert your taillights, you have to go kouki middle bottom garnish thing. This emblem I got on eBay for like $5. I did not realize it's not the same emblem that kouki 180s use. The kouki 180s is like a slightly smaller symbol than this, but I don't know, I'll keep it there just because it looks kind of cool. Yeah, all I gotta do is put this splat on, put the middle thing for the splats on, put the side skirt on, which I think I have, boop, right there. Take that off. Yeah, looking mint though. It has no exhaust on it. I'm gonna see if I can start it real quick. Alright, I was messing around. I was messing around with the camera and I realized that for some reason manual mode just disabled auto ISO, which is why it's like so dark when I switch to manual. Oh no, it's too dark inside now that it's summer, so I'm gonna put it on auto ISO. Dope. It's the kouki thing. It was $100. It came with hardware, which is dope. And then when I bought my radio, it came with 2 for some reason. I don't even know what I was talking about when my camera filled up. My card got full. Pretty day. Yep, I love Instagram. Oh man, I can't even. My eyes are not adjusted to the brightness right now. So I drilled out like all the holes so that they would not rub anymore. I didn't have that problem with the OEM one. I was taking it on and off. Fuck your supplier for this. Seriously, this doesn't fucking fit at all. Retard. Yeah, and Juku, fuck you. I'm gonna bend up this stupid, shitty fucking part, and then I'm gonna. Okay, I'm all peachy. I got it done. So, pretty much what you gotta do is you get one of these bendy guys, you pull the thing out, you look at where it's not lining up, and you bend the stud, because the studs are not in the right spot at all. But it fits pretty mint once you do that. Alright, I got it on. Looking sweet, I think. Fits pretty good. I mean, I like it. I'm glad I spent $100 on it. I wish the instructions told you that you had to bend the fucking studs though, because that would have cost me not having a scratched up brand new taillight. Why is the exposure so low? I mean, for stock body, unrolled fenders, fitment is pretty alright. Oh yeah, I got these sweet fucking halogen colored LEDs. So, yeah. Probably look a lot cooler if I got low, but I don't want to squat right now, my back hurts. Yeah, I'm gonna put on autofocus mode so I can get like an actual good. Huh? I'm trying to autofocus it, come on. Alright, autofocus says this is the best focus for this length and everything, so. Nice. Looks dope. Fuck yeah. This is like the first video I uploaded, I think. The one where I'm like zooming out on the wheels and stuff. Except now I have a matching set. And they're 17s, not 18s. I'm gonna stay wingless. Honestly, I kinda like the wingless look. Yep, nothing special, just oh shit, I should probably get that out. Oh my god, my stomach hurts, I'm gonna puke. Awesome though, I think this is like most of the footage for the new video.
Bruh.
And do so as we please. Come along with me to a cliff under a tree. Have me wishing I were gone.
Monkeys.
What the fuck you want, little nigga?
I just be rapping for fun when I really be singing the just like it's sing. Bye, bye, bye. God in my heart and my soul, nigga, F what you think. Young nigga walk with the armor of God, I don't see no damn chink. Young nigga, I'm doing my thing. I'm doing my thing. Young nigga, I'm doing my thing. Young nigga, I'm doing my thing. I'm doing my
If I wasn't into cars, I'd probably be like a way better person, you know? I'd be in college right now, probably trying to meet a nice girl.
The footage cuts off.